Hey y'all, I am Dena McGill, a gold brand partner from Pasadena, Texas.
And I'm Darlene Pettit, a silver brand partner from Clear Lake Shores, Texas. And welcome to my kitchen. We are here today to show you how to make a gluten-free brownie with Vitality essential oils infused. So we are using the crustas, but you see those ingredients? It says 1/3 cup water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 1 egg. Instead I use mayonnaise because mayonnaise is gluten-free. Did you know that? Most people didn't. And what does mayonnaise do to it, Dena?
It makes it creamy.
When you were a kid, some of us had parents that cooked with mayonnaise instead of oil. So we're gonna mix this up real quick. Here's our 1/3 cup of water. Egg.
Oh yes, we need an egg. And eggs are gluten-free, just in case you didn't know. And then we're gonna pour this into,
No, we're gonna separate it.
oh, we have to separate it. Oh, because
Because we're making two kinds. So,
about half, I'm sure.
orange vitality, peppermint vitality. So she's gonna split it into this other stainless steel bowl. Okay.
So half and half, just split your mix if you want to make two different flavors. Can you see?
Yeah,
Okay.
and you can actually, just make it one. We'll do this on peppermint. So I do 12 drops. And then this one we're gonna add the orange. And I'm gonna add about 13 drops.
So how do you decide how many drops to add, Darlene?
Because I have made it before. So when you're baking, you can actually add a lot more oils than when you're cooking. And it's all in the smell and the flavor. But if you add too much, then it tastes like, I've done like a full batch and I've had 30 to 40 drops. Thinking, oh, that's okay. It was like, whew. It was like pure peppermint in your mouth. So about 12 drops is good. It's half a batch. I'll do between 20 and 25 on a full batch. With the orange though, orange works better. The more the better with
It's
orange.
more subtle
Yes.
oil.
So we're gonna do it a little milder because of the frosting that we're gonna make. What we've done is, I've taken a mini muffin pan. We just put little mini things and we're gonna fill those in there. And I actually have, for those pampered chef lovers, the mini scooper, and it's perfect.
Perfect measurement.
I did this pan and we sprayed it with flour spray mix, and I used a gluten-free one on that as well. We're just trying to keep everything gluten-free in this recipe. Who doesn't love a sweet, but usually we can't eat it because it's,
More and more people are searching for gluten-free options, so it's nice to know how to do it.
when you're cooking with essential oils, again, like we said, when you're baking, you can use a lot more oils than you can when you're cooking. So, in the meantime, this is going to go in the oven. Now the recipe on the box says for about 40 minutes, but it's not going to take that long because I used half a recipe and it's not a full amount. So it'll probably go on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we will take it out and put the brownies in. And we will be back with the frosting recipe soon. We're back. Okay, everything's in the oven, so we're going to make our frosting. So I don't know how many of you belong to Oil Revolution Designs, but they have great recipes during the holidays. And I don't know if you can see how crinkly this is. And I can put the recipe on there, but 4 years ago, 5 years ago, at least 5 years ago, we had a team gathering and we all brought something, and one of the girls had made this, Melissa had made this, it's called Dreamsicle fruit dip, but oh, it tastes so much better on like brownies and pumpkin bread.
Or a spoon.
It's so yummy, but it's super, super easy. So it's 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of Cool Whip, which is just a half of that, and I did a light Cool Whip. This is light, third less fat. A half a cup of powdered sugar, and it says 3 drops of Vitality orange, but I'm gonna tell you, tangerine tastes so much better. It's more flavorful, would you say?
Delicious.
And we probably use about 15 drops. So you want to fold And you can slowly, but I'm going to put the drops. And she's going to put that in while I'm mixing. Of that. We're actually going to split it because we have orange and green food coloring that we're going to add to them. You know, orange for the orange brownies and green for the peppermint, so that people know, oh, that's a peppermint flavor.
Sure. So that it kind of says
What it is.
this is not plain. And these are no artificial, dyes, food colorings. It makes me think of those Andes mints. They're chocolate on the outside and green on the inside. Really pretty. It says, "Taste me."
So a little, actually mine looks like the Wicked Witch from Wicked. Anyways, so we will be back after the brownies are done and we frosted them, and we'll let you taste it with us. Okay, look it, they're done. And it looks like Halloween. However, add whatever food color you want to any of them and make them whatever color you want. But let's try the green. So this is with the frosting, and this is Andes Mints, basically.
They call these like grasshoppers or something, maybe?
Maybe. That frosting really,
Adding the frosting made a real difference to.
the peppermint.
Yeah.
It was very good.
It almost cooled it or something. That's
Let's
good.
try this one. Almost gives it that citrus punch of of orange. It's tangerine, but to the orange it gives it that citrusy, like you bit into an orange.
Feels like a summer brownie.
Yeah.
Feels like a summer brownie.
So
It's really good.
we'll post the recipes later, but enjoy.
Delicious.